Hello everyone. Welcome to Programming with Balance mini short videos, basically Python tutorial videos. Today we are making very short tool BMI Calculator. So it's very easy. So I opened PyCharm. Already I created a file. So let's write BMI Calculator for better readability. So now spelling mistakes. Please ignore the spelling mistakes. Okay. Yes. Now let's write the actual code. So simply we need to type fullest. So first we need the weights equals to float. No. Integer data type versus floats. It will basically decimate number. So anybody's weight can be 52.6 or 7 or 1 or anything. So you need to use float. Then input. Then press enter your weight. Okay. Now type in in kg actually. And now that's your code. Okay, now you. For better readability, you can add a comment here, but you can add. Okay, is it any errors? Let's see. So I think this should right. Now, what's the error? Two typo errors. Okay. So what's the error? Well, let's do that. Even if it distorts, let's actually write first. And height is equals to again float, then ingots, then enter your height, then adding height to the meters. Okay, so now okay, you can add always you can add a comment as usual for the height in meters. Good height. Then calculate the BMI. So first we need to do type BMI, then simply type. So the BMI formula basically say weight, then divided by height, then height out to okay method. So is it all right or not? So now the final results. French, your BMI is this BMI. Now, okay, and isn't this file have trouble with you? So just leaving it. So I now leaving this page with indentation error. Oh, actually Python always support the indentation errors. Okay, so that's the basically that is the error. So even write this and no words. And let's debug this code again. Okay, let's running on debug this code again. Okay, so it's now enter your weight. So let's enter like 50 and height, not random number. Okay. So your BMI is this. Actually, I think we can round this thing. Actually, round is type of a function you can use to round like this. So you need to have this thing to this. So how let's see, is it working or not? 12, then 2. So it's now working fine. No errors. And you before better usability ask is for their weights will be good. Now BMI formula and next show final results to the user. Okay, good. So let's debate this code again. I think okay, it's this comment is a little bit bad. Ask user what do works weights. Did formula on cinematic weights. So the final result is that. Thank you for watching and I have an announcement for you. So if you go to Visual Studio Code, hurry. If you go to Visual Studio Code actually, then so please to Visual Studio Code. By the way, for Python development, I always prefer PyCharm because PyCharm is great, great, great. But if you're a web developer, I kind of prefer WebStorm or Visual Studio Code. Okay, so now let's do extensions. Sorry. Then, so basically the announcement is I recently published a extension, not an extension of very very cool team. So this king's name is Arcan Item. You can use it right now. And here's the final result. We have high contrast modes. Here's the high contrast modes. Actually, it's kind of good. Standing skeletons. The dark. This is favorite. So this kind of magical, dark and stormy night, beautiful and night. So this is very good theme for you guys. And we also have the light theme. So high contrast theme is it high contrast. Then arcane. Oh sorry. Arcane lights. So this is light and I didn't like it. I like the dark. So here's the favorite thing and it's great for Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, TypeScript, Rust, Ruby, Go, or Java, C, C++, C Sharp. The download, go via extension, go to Open Visual Studio Code, go to extension, search for Arcan, 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 not Storm. Then just install S and here's the ORV. Discover this language types the Java, C++, C Sharp. Also support this some language called JSON, Markdown, or YAML. JSX, React, Vue is very good. And Rust PHP, I said already Go and Ruby. I think I said. And here's the team query and here's the instructions. And thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video.